Are you offering incredible products or services, yet your viewers still aren't buying? It happens to many new and old marketers. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 main reasons why viewers hesitate and how to turn those no's into yeses. Let's uncover the reasons behind their hesitation and, more importantly, how you can help them to overcome their barriers to become your loyal customers. I worked as a nurse for nearly 30 years and I had no experience working online, and I had very limited technical skills. I knew that there had to be a way to get more time to spend with my family and to be able to watch our son grow up and to make a greater income so that we could live life doing the things that we love and on our terms. Now, because of being able to transition easily to an online world with this digital model, I'm dedicating my time to helping others to find the freedom from working those 40 hours and long shifts tied to a job that they may no longer enjoy. So if you're ready to learn how to make a change for the better for you and your family, comment ready below and I'll give you a free guide to get you started. The number 1 reason is self-doubt. Viewers don't believe that they have the skills or the know-how how to make the product work for them. If they feel that they can't succeed, they often won't even try. When I started working online, I found this young nurse who was half my age that was on a beach down south with her family, with her 3 boys and her husband, and she was talking about how she had started an online business and how it had allowed her to eventually give up her nursing career after only 2 years of starting this business. And that caught my interest. So I started with no experience and no technical skills, but because of the daily pay blueprint model, I was able to follow a step-by-step model that was recorded or attend live, and I was able to follow at my pace. Our community now has over 45,000 like-minded entrepreneurs, and they range in age from 18 to 80 have made the business model work for them. 6- and 7-figure earners who have used this exact model. This is a proven system that has created 18 millionaires in only 2 years and multiple 6-figure earners. You need to start with a winning mindset. Mindfulness training that we show you help you get past those past issues that you may have about feeling like you're not worthy of having the life that you want. Learn how to build your confidence and determination to make this work. We show you how to commit to change, to be accountable, and to get results, and empower you to create a better life for you and your family and for your friends. So are you ready to learn how to get empowered and to learn the skills and have the support needed to succeed online? With our daily mentorship, click the link in the description below to access the daily pay blueprint to get you started. The number 2 reason is that people don't see the value in the product that you're providing. If they don't understand the benefits, they won't buy. I learned to focus on what my offer can do for my potential client. I did this by researching the comments from busy career moms like me who populate the internet with their pain and their struggles of not being able to be at home with their children and watch them grow up and to live life on their terms. Lack of job satisfaction, not being paid fairly for their dedication, and forced to stay in a job that they don't want to be in often led to burnout. And this online digital business called the Daily Pay Blueprint provides the skills to earn daily pay up to $900 or more. Like Daryl, who has made 6 figures after having to live in his car for a while because he was fired from a corporate job that he'd been in for 24 years. Because of the flexibility of this business, it gives you the ability to work around your day job. A single mom of 3 was able to give up her jobs after starting this business and now has so much more time with her family because she was able to fit it in around her busy schedule. Forbes ranked digital marketing as the highest paid job in 2024, and our program can position you to capitalize on this lucrative field if you're willing to apply the skills and just be coachable. Digital is here to stay, and it's a way of the future whether we embrace it or not. With any business, we have to have a product or service that is a solution for the problem that you can identify with. This helps you better to understand and identify with your perfect customer, someone just like you. Having proven products that give the career mom or dad a way to break free from that busy lifestyle of working full-time and raising a family was exactly what I was looking for. So I found a business where the products were already done for me and were digital, which meant no storefront, no employees, no inventory, and that was huge. Savings was incredible. The Daily Pay Blueprint provides you with 4 digital products done for you, proven in-demand products that teach you how to start and run a successful online business. With 4 products to choose from, you're provided with 4 investment options. So we meet the customer where they're at and where they're comfortable investing in. We offer products that are $100, $300, $600, and $900. And you start with an investment level that fits your budget, and you can easily upgrade as you grow, only paying the difference in the 2 products. So purchasing the $900 product, which is our most popular product, actually gives you all 4 products at a value of $1,900. In addition, you're never on your own. You have a community portal within our training that provides you continuous interaction among the members, as well as access to the mentors, 8-member tech team, and the trainers. Daily messages from the founders provide us with instruction and inspiration to stay connected with the community and to apply daily strategies to grow your business. Quick setup and only the need for a 2-hour workday schedule, you can fit this business around your work schedule and your busy lifestyle in the beginning. The uniqueness of our products with the in-depth content and the value set us apart from the marketplace. Our done-for-you digital products are designed to stand out, providing a competitive edge in the marketplace today. Many of our members have proven that this system works for them. The third reason that many people may not be buying from you may be an external reason that they don't have control of. And an example of this would be an unsupportive spouse or family member. Not having the support of your family member can be very discouraging. Try and have open communication about your goals, and involving your loved ones in the process can certainly help them understand faster and support you along your journey. Having the fear of not being able to financially do it can deter people from committing. So start part-time in your online business until you feel the momentum and actually see progress in your business. Starting part-time can allow you to build a stable income from your part-time job before making any major decisions about transitioning from your everyday job into an online business. Many members of this community are actually working part-time and starting their online business as a side hustle. And many of them have actually completely transitioned to working online and giving up their full-time day jobs. Lack of time is another one. Due to current commitments and busy schedules, it makes it harder to start something new. But if you're efficient with your time, able to dedicate 2 hours a day is really all you need to make this business work. And we show you what those 2 hours actually involve. You can easily work it around your busy schedule. If you have small kids, after they're gone to bed at night, if you're working at a dinner hour for half an hour, it's that type of business that can easily fit in amongst your schedule. This business model allows you to earn as you learn. So you're not expected to learn everything before you get to start earning. Just follow the step-by-step process that we've provided that so many people in this business have been successful at and have been able to do it at their pace and at their convenience to make it happen. And remember, you're never on your own. You have a community of like-minded business owners who have made this business model work and are there to help you along the way. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take control of your time, your income, and your future, don't wait. Click on the link in the description and get started with a daily paid blueprint today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Make sure to check out the next video showing on the screen with more insights and strategies to help you build your dream business. I'll see you there.